Hey, hello guys, welcome to T4 Trading. Today I am going to explore a very important thing, how to use multi-chart setting in Motilal Oswal. This was very asked question by so many guys in YouTube, so I just find out how to make it. Please go through the full video, but I am just going to demonstrate how to set 6 chart setting in Motilal Oswal. So here I have already logged in. This is my watch list in Orion Lite. This Orion Lite platform, MO trader in Motilal Oswal. So without wasting the time, let's just start. Here are the stocks of my watch list. So now what I'll do, I'll press Control button and double click on what I have done. I just press the Control button. I made double click on a stock and it just opened. Okay. So this is one chart I have right now. Now I want the chart of Bajaj Auto. Again, what I will do, I will again press the Control button and I will make double click. Okay, again it has opened up. This is Bajaj Auto. Okay, so now I have two charts on my screen. I want to accommodate two charts on my desktop screen. Okay, so first what I will do, this is one and this is 2. Okay, what I'll do, just a minute, check it out. I have both the chart on my screen. Here I can change the time frame from bar size, suppose 3 minutes. For Ambuja Cement, okay, this is a 3-minute chart of Ambuja Cement. What I have done, I just press the Control button and I made the double click on a stock and the chart has opened. Okay, so here the Bajaj Auto, what I'll make, again I'll go to the bar size and just say 15 minutes. Okay, here we are. This is the chart of Bajaj Auto. See what I have done in Motilal Oswal. I have opened both the chart and I can check the chart on my desktop. Okay, here's the 2. Now what I'll do, I'll accommodate 4. Okay, I'll accommodate 4 now. Okay, this is 2. Okay, this is 2. Now again I'll press the Control and will open up BPCL now. Okay, sorry. Okay, BPCL has opened up just 3. Again I will press the Control and will double click on the stock. Okay, now I have 4. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am accommodating 4 charts on the screen. Okay, so this is the first one. What I will do, 1. Okay, this is the second one. What I'll do, okay, we have to accommodate 4 charts on the screen. Okay, so here I'll drag it. Okay, now clear. Okay, so I'll go to the downside So I accommodate what I have done. I have accommodated 4 charts on my desktop screen. This is again multi-chart. Okay. I will extend my chart up to 6. Okay. Check it out. Now I have 4 charts on my screen together. I can watch out 4 charts at a time. I don't have to switch from one chart to another by clicking up again and again. So you can check 4 charts. Let's change it to candlestick and then apply. Okay. So what I have BPCL, Dr. Reddy, Bajaj Auto and Ambuja Cement. Okay, this is the process of accommodating 4 charts on your screen. Now putting aside, we'll use 6 and I'll say in detail how you can arrange 6 in a row and in a column. Okay, so I have to open another 2. So let's take, I'll press Control button again. We'll open Hero MotoCorp. Here I have opened Hero MotoCorp. Then again I'll open ICICI Bank. Okay, so what I have, I have 6 charts. So now press left button of your mouse and accommodate it again. Here, here, simply we have to just arrange it down, nothing else. What I am doing, I am just rearranging these charts on my screen. Okay. Okay guys, I have arranged 6 charts on my screen, and max to max we can use 6 charts at a time. You cannot use more than 6 charts in Motilal Oswal Orion Lite. So here we have 6 charts. Again I'll elaborate the process. You have to press the control button and to double click on a chart and double click on a stop. The chart will open. Again press the control button. So guys, what we have done, we have accommodated 6 different charts on my desktop screen. Now there's some drawbacks. What the drawbacks are there? You can watch it out 6 charts on your screen, but at the same time you cannot take the buy sell from here. You cannot take the buy sell from here. If you want to go the buy and sell option, then again you have to close one chart from here. Then you have to make anything. You want to check your position. You have to check. You want to check your order list or anything. You want to check it out. Then you have to close one chart here. Otherwise, it's not possible for you to take any action on this platform. So this is the major drawback what I have got. So this is the way you can open 6 charts and watch it out together on your screen. So it will be helpful for you, and if it is really helping you out, then please make a comment and like this video. Thank you very much, and please be with me and support me for growing this channel. Thank you guys. Catch you again in another video. This type of topics I'll discuss and in English only. So what I need your support, just be with me, and next video will be coming soon on another topic. Thank you very much.